The smart school, ये मेरा school है. The smart school, हम सबका school है.
Good morning, students, and welcome to the Smart School Virtual Classroom Teaching. Today, we are going to discuss an exciting topic. But before we begin, kindly follow the teacher's instructions. Carefully watch the presentation and listen attentively to the teacher reading. Read the lesson with correct pronunciation. Let's go through the objectives first. The first important point. Read the text with correct pronunciation. Underline the difficult words you come across reading. Find the meaning of the difficult words in the dictionary. Answer the questions given at the end of the topic. Vocabulary words. Restaurant. A place where people go and enjoy cooked meals. Do you go to a restaurant with your family, children? Wow, it must be fun. Tiffin carrier. A box used for carrying food items. How do you carry your lunch to school, children? Great, in your lunch boxes, and your lunch boxes are your tiffins. Let's begin with the reading. Carefully listen to the teacher, and you may read after her. Faiza's biscuits. Faiza is poor. She is hungry. Her tiffin carrier is empty. A car is stopping and people are getting out. There's a young girl in the car who's shouting, "Look, there's the restaurant." A little girl looks at Faiza. They all go into the restaurant. Why is the little girl looking at Faiza like this? Yes, she's thinking, why isn't Faiza coming inside? Why can't she go inside, students? Yes, Faiza is poor. Now Faiza is looking through the window of the restaurant. Oh, how much she wants that ice cream. Why can't she buy that ice cream? Yes, because Faiza is poor. The people are having fun. They're eating ice cream and biscuits. They all are smiling and enjoying. The little girl is cutting a cake. What are the others singing? Yes, they're singing a birthday song to the little girl. Do you sing birthday song when you have your birthdays? Wow, it's so fun. Faiza is sitting on a wall, close to the car. The party is over. Everyone is carrying party bags and wearing party hats. Do you wear party hats when you have your birthdays? Great! The little girl goes to Faiza. She gives her a bag and a box. What is written on the box? Yes, Berkey's Butter Biscuits. So kind of that little girl. Now Faiza opens the bag. She eats some cake. She does not open the box. What is in it? She puts the box in her basket. She puts the basket on her head. She goes down the road. And the next morning, Faiza is outside the school. What is she doing? Who is buying something from her? Faiza has been very intelligent and hardworking. And you can see 10 years later, Faiza is a grown-up young lady. And now she has her own bakery. She is selling biscuits to people. And can you see how she's selling? Yes, in a box with her name printed on it. Wow! What did you learn from the lesson, students? Yes, we must always work hard, and Allah rewards hard work. Now let's answer the questions related to the text. Question 1. What did Faiza see one day? Answer. She saw a car stopping and people coming out. Question 2. Who went into the restaurant? Why? Answer. All the people went into the restaurant to celebrate a birthday party. Question 3. What did people eat at the party? Answer. People ate cake, biscuits, and ice cream at the party. Question 4. Who gave Faiza some cake and biscuits? Answer. The little girl gave Faiza some cake and biscuits. Question 5. What did Faiza do the next morning? Answer. She put the box in her basket and went down the road to sell biscuits. I hope you all like biscuits, don't you? Biscuits are my favorite snack too. They're simply yummy. Did you enjoy the lesson, students? You did? Me too. Now let's recap. I will be asking you a few questions and want to know how attentive you all were. Question 1. Why did Faiza sell her biscuits? Great. Faiza sold her biscuits because she was poor. What were the people singing in the party? Great. The people were singing birthday song in the party. I'm so proud of you. You all have been very attentive. Now a little time for your homework. On your workbook, do exercise A and B, page 2 and 3. Best of luck. See you in the next class.